Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you guys the little modifications I've done to my outroad snow bike here. As you can see, I got the HEB bike Allscape 26 by 4 inch fat tire on the bike. Um, Definitely an upgrade that I recommend if you get this outroad bike. Like I said before, definitely upgrade the seat. Definitely upgrade the tires. Um, I do have an issue with this bike that I'm not going to mention right now because I'm working with Outroad to solve the issue. So I won't mention that, but it's a major issue, and it's preventing me to ride the bike properly or even at all right now. So like I said, to be fair to Outroad, I am working with them through email conversations to solve this problem, and we'll see what happens with that. But another upgrade that I did do, and I'll show you that right quick. I got a stem riser by Santori. I don't know if you can see the name right there. I hope you can, because we're broadcasting in 4K, baby. You should be able to see it. But it gave me like 3 more inches of height, plus the handlebars that I put on off my old mountain bike. They gave me another 3 inches. So thinking about it, I probably am going to put the 8 handlebars back on, because I'm not in my wanted position on the bike. If I can work it out, and I always do work things out, to work and get those 8 handlebars back on, even though I might have to rewire the whole bike. I might have to do it because that's going to give me the comfort that I want, but I can ride it right now, except for that one issue that I'm working with Outroad with. But I wanted to show you the tires. Man, these tires are beefy. Beefy. These are like damn snow tires, man. Now, if I can get this issue with the bike settled, maybe I will ride in the snow, because I got the traction for it now. But that's just a quick video. I am going to upgrade the pedals. The pedals are plastic. They give you 2 of them. So that's not a good sign when the company sends you 2 sets of pedals. I'm just going to take the old pedals off my Huffy Hug and put them on here. That's not a problem at all. And if I'm going to be riding outside in inclement weather, I'm going to have to get some fenders for it. But other than that, and the issue I mentioned earlier, man, I can ride this thing right now and be straight. But yeah, I'll let you know how it turns out. I'm looking forward to springtime to break, and that's going to take a couple more months. But it is what it is. You'll be seeing this bike for sure in all my videos from now on. So look forward to that. And that's all for today. So peace out, baby. Love you all who like and subscribe to my channel. And like the video, man. I know you are watching. Like the video, please. I'm asking very nicely. Please like and subscribe. All right, this is your boy Dave. I'm out.